guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome, and if you're oldie but goldie, thanks for coming back and watching my channel, At Home with Carla. It's where I share my family and my friends, my pets, and some things that are going on all the time in my life. I have some footage that I took last week. I'll start there and then I'll catch up with you. Thanks for watching. I'm heading into work today. Today is Wednesday. I have one at 1 today and then one at 4:30. So I'm probably just going to hang around, do some cleaning, and maybe do a little shopping in between times. But I do see a little bit of melting going on the roads here, so that's a really good sign. Spring is on its way. I just want to mention last month when it was so cold out, just goes to show how cats, I think, really do understand us. We have like 3, maybe 4 feral cats that come around, and they're true feral. They're not friendly at all. And I seen them out there one day, and I said, you know, if you're really friendly and come up and rub against my legs and stuff, you know, we'll consider keeping you. And lo and behold, one of them is coming up around her legs.
You know you'll never be alone. Someone will always be near. When you turn around and your best friend is gone, oh, where do they go when they just disappear?
Like I was saying about the cat, he was so friendly. He's rubbing up against my leg and everything. So I don't think we can have another cat, but I could feed him outside and make sure he has a warm bed in the winter. I feel kind of bad, but who knows? Maybe he will make a nice house cat too. It looks like he's a male, unneutered, and he has a little couple sores behind his ears. I don't know if it's from other cats scratching, but I'll let you know. Just spritz in the air a little before the next clients come in. And when I got home, of course, I have to show you some more puppy videos. I hope you don't mind. Thanks for being here. And not too much going on today. Today is Monday, and it's pretty nice out in Wisconsin. It's not below the 0 mark right now, so we did have some snow. Our son took care of that, and then we didn't have to shovel, which was really nice. But now it's starting to melt a little bit on the sidewalks, which is great. I should be out there in the sunshine, but do you hear that? Listen. Yeah, it's pretty quiet here. The puppies are sleeping, and the mama is sleeping with my husband in the bedroom. The other 2 dogs are sleeping in the bedroom, and the cats are downstairs sleeping, so it's pretty quiet here. I wanted to share some pictures that my nephew's girlfriend sent when they were in the car the other day. They're so cute. And my nephew sent me a video too on them running out in the snow. So here they are. When do you think that snow is going to fall off? I think it's going to any second. What do you think? Oh, you're more interested in the treats. I see. Well, maybe. Can you sit? Can you sit? Mindy, sit? Hey, you're not supposed to steal them. Okay, sit. Good sit, Mindy. Mindy sat. Good. Good, Ringer. We gotta catch that snow falling. Oh, it's gonna be any second. Let's go. Let's go grab a bite to eat. Tonight for supper I'm going to have a croissant wedge, sausage and egg with cheese, and we bought a box of them, I think from Sam's Club, and they're really good. I don't normally like all the bread. They do make one that has the egg as the bread and then the sausage and cheese in there, but this is good enough for tonight. And you're doing what? Are you trying to sneak more treats? How about you, Mindy? Cheese. Can you say it? Good, Seth. Very good. Thanks again for watching and staying with me till the end of the video. I hope if you liked, you'll subscribe, and I hope you'll have a great week. We'll talk to you soon. And the quote of the day is,